Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a scene of a puppet show during a fair. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to benefit your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, can you name the famous puppet who came to life and was cursed with a nose that grew longer every time he told a lie? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, try imagining that you are in fair with your father. There are different stalls, some of food, some of games, and everyone is having fun enjoying the fair. Now walking in the fair, you come across a puppet show which is very vibrant and fun. Keeping that imagination in mind, let's start with our drawing now. Let's draw our first character, who is the puppet master, who is holding his puppet string and controlling them. Our next character is a boy in the audience who is enjoying the dancing puppets. Now you're standing with your father, pulling him to see the puppet show in the back. A man with a microphone is next to the stage, calling people to watch the puppet show. Now let's draw the puppets. Now let's draw the details of our characters, like costume and expression. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Now let us draw in the background. We are in a fair, so there will be tents for different stalls in the background. Now let's add one more character who is enjoying the puppet show. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a scene of a puppet show during a fair. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Yes, you guessed it, it's Pinocchio, the famous puppet who came to life. His story teaches us a valuable lesson about honesty, because every time he lied, his nose grew longer. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.